Excuse me? Today we're going to do, a vlog of the Seagulls. The more you live, they move you love. That's a long title. A long title, hey? Let's turn off the lights so I can just react to it. Okay? I'm in, so I can just react to it straight away. I can hear that.
Never give your heart to a stranger. Or tell your secrets
See what he says,
to
hey?
a friend. But
I'm
your
an eardrums
heart
on
in
it.
mortal danger. They all desert you in the end.
In the air.
The more you live, the more you love. What's they say? The more you love, the more you grow away. They say that nothing lasts forever, and even true love tends to fade. But trust your feelings to a stranger. Don't wanna go through this again. The more you live, the more you love. Oh, so they say, the more you love, the more you throw away.
Very good.
The more you live, the more you love. Oh, so they say, the more you love, the more you throw away. Don't ever give your heart to a stranger. Don't ever think that you can hold on. Put your heart in mortal danger. You turn around and love has gone.
Yeah.
The more you live, the more you love. Oh, so they say, the more you love, the more you throw away. The more you live, the more you love. Oh, so they say, the more you love, the more you throw away. The more you live, the more you love.
Yeah.
Oh, so they say, the more you love, the more you throw away.
Is that okay for you? Yeah. That's the song now. Alright. The song's finished now. And now we can just... I have to stop filming it early because I just don't have time to interview them. Okay. Robot, we can just... Okay. We will see you in the next one. Okay? So... Alright. Peace.